Kayo, anong palagay nyo? Yun na rin ang palagay ko. Kasi politika yan. Wala na bang may iba pa ba na dahilan? Politika yan. You cannot say that they were seeking justice. I reject that. Kasi if they say they are seeking justice, pag walang nag-file muna dito, pag walang umaksyon dito, sige, dali nyo sa ICC, kahit wala na silang jurisdiction, kahit paano nag-effort man lang sila, no, to prove the principle of complementarity. Na hindi gumagana ang korte. Di ba yung principle of complementarity, it's a Rome Statute which created the ICC, is that complementary lang sila yung ICC. Pag hindi gumagana dyan, dito tayo. So sana, kahit pakitang tao lang, mag-file muna sana sila dito. So the fact that they did not means this is purely political. Pakalinaw naman. At kung hindi nyo po nakikita yan, ay ang galing po ng media na nabulag na kahit media men.